Hey everybody, it's Gary Sarah here doing another episode of my East Van Special Reno. I'm super happy to announce that we finally got permits on our renovation, and it's been a long haul. We've waited almost 7 months for permits, as you probably all heard from some of our past episodes that we had a stop work order. So kind of sucked, cost us a chunk of money extra that we weren't expecting in time, but here we are. So I want to turn the camera around now and just show you guys no more stop work notice that was on the front window. So that's super awesome. I'm going to take you guys inside now, and we're just going to see a little bit of the progress. So the framers have been inside now, and they've already done a lot of framing. If you can see how they had to bump up all of the roof joists, because there was actually some sagging happening, almost a couple of inches, I think it was, that were sagging in this area. So they've dropped it down about 4 inches. And the reason being for that is that the city actually requires additional insulation that is now to code. And these joists will not provide for that. So they've done that. We've vaulted the ceiling in what will be the kitchen, and was the old kitchen, and they've also bumped up the studs there, or the joists there. And I'm just gonna go back a little bit here so you guys can see. So this is now, I'm standing in the dining room, and you can kind of get a sense of what we're gonna be looking at. Open concept kitchen, and living room, dining room, and 2 doors that'll be coming into the living room and into the hallway. This door here is actually going to be moved about 16 inches this way because it's not quite the way we want it. And then over here, this is really going to be my pride and joy. We're going to do a really long 16-foot infinity door with a glass panel, and then another door, glass door here. So it'll be basically a whole wall of glass onto the deck. And that'll be pretty, I think, a pretty sweet look. Coming in here, we're gonna do sort of washer dryer area here with some storage, and then this will be the main bathroom right here. And we reworked this front entrance area here. So starting with the ceiling, we vaulted the ceilings, which I'm super stoked about. And then what used to be an entry closet right here has now created a hallway. And this hallway now leads to a T, which goes to our master bedroom here on the left, and then a second bedroom here on the right, which has been made a little smaller. It's still a decent room. It's about 10 by 9. It'll essentially be our office, but it'll be a small third bedroom. It'll have a closet here and what have you. Going into the master bedroom, again, I'm super excited because we vaulted the ceilings in this room too. So that'll be pretty dramatic. And coming in here, you can see we've added a big walk-in closet right here. And what used to be partly the hallway over there and partly a walk-in closet, and then beside that was a little 2-piece powder room, is now going to be one huge master suite. So we're going to have a big walk-in shower. I'm going to step in here and kind of show you guys what I mean. I'm going to just spin around here so you can kind of see. So this will be a shower area. It's going to be probably about 6 feet long with a rain shower and shower jets and what have you. We're going to have a double vanity over here, right here, and then of course toilet with pocket doors and what have you. So that's pretty much what we've got so far. The downstairs is sort of still an open shell. They haven't gotten to the downstairs yet. I'm just gonna turn around here and yeah, so that's where we're at right now. Pretty excited about some of the progress we've made so far. And essentially this is what framing looks like, and when you have to bump up framing and when you're reworking rooms and what have you, you have to have we have great framers that are doing this job. So I'm very happy about that. But until next time, hope to see you guys soon, and I'll give you an update the next time we've got one. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.